Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install TikTok on your Mac so you can use it like a regular app. Let's get started. Now, just like YouTube, TikTok does not have an official standalone macOS app, but you can easily install it as a web app using Safari. Here's how to do it. First, open Safari on your Mac. In the address bar, type tiktok.com, then press enter. Once the TikTok website loads, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A confirmation window will appear. Click Add, and that's it. TikTok will now appear in your dock just like a normal application. When you open it, it runs in its own separate window, giving you a clean, app-like experience without browser tabs. You can also find it later in your Applications folder, or by searching with Spotlight. And that's how you install TikTok on Mac OS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.